Welcome everyone to Balance by Meghan. I'm Meghan. Today we are doing a breathing relaxation technique or three-part breath. So this is a great breath to come to when you're feeling moments of panic, anxiety, you need some stress relief. I always come back to this breath. For yoga videos that you can practice in the comfort of your home, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified when I post a free video every Wednesday. So find a comfy spot, find some quietness, and let's create balance in your life.
Welcome everyone. For this breathing relaxation breath, we will begin in a seated position, or you can lay down. We'll take the left hand and place it on the heart. Right hand comes right to the belly. Inhale, take a deep breath in through the nose. Air fills the belly. Exhale, air leaves the belly. Inhale, breathe into your belly. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale through the nose into the belly and the rib cage. Exhale from your rib cage and your belly. Inhale, breathe into your belly, rib cage. Exhale from your rib cage and your belly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, breathe into the belly, rib cage all the way to your heart space. Exhale from your heart space, your rib cage, and your belly. Inhale, belly, rib cage, heart space. Exhale from your heart space, your rib cage, and your belly. Inhale, allow the body to expand with air. Exhale, air leaves the body. Now take a few moments here. Breathe with your breath on your time. Really feel the diaphragm open and expand. Notice with this three-part breath technique how the mind starts to quiet down, how the body starts to respond, slow down, relax, and find release. Keep breathing here and stay here as long as time will allow. If you'd rather, you can lay out here and find a traditional Shavasana. Otherwise, bring awareness back to your body. You might begin to bat open the eyelashes here. or you can keep them closed if that feels good to you. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Your difference does make an impact in the world. Download my free August playlist below to stay on track with your daily practice. And I will see you next week. Namaste.